Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel, a channel that features only the best and the craziest moments caught on bikers camera. We got everything here, from close calls all the way up to road rage. So without any further delay, let's dive right into today's episode.
Welcome back everybody. Oh, the phone is all janky.
Biker ran into an angry old Darren who came out of nowhere and started threatening him. He even pulled a knife and tried to force the biker off the road. Check it out.
Let him know that, I'm not happy that you're running up on me. I didn't do anything to you. And the guy has a knife in his hand. So he's in a Camaro convertible, top down. I'm on the Spider, got my helmet on. I'm probably wearing the exact same shirt, to be honest with you. And he's holding a knife, cussing at me.
Biker hit some uneven pavement, and that caused his handlebars to start tank slapping. It's a good thing that the biker managed to regain his cool in this crazy situation. In this situation, the biker came head-on with another driver at a sharp corner. Always avoid overtaking vehicles in situations like this one here, because the outcome can be fatal for a biker. Some drivers are simply built different. This guy here tried to purposely pull out in front of the biker, but the situation didn't even end there. Check out what happened when the biker pulled up to have a chat.
You know how a circle works. You pull, hey. I'm recording, huh?
Never tailgate a biker, people. And I mean, never. One small moment of not paying attention, and the biker can end up in a hospital.
You mental, get back! You rear-ended me! And you slammed your brakes on, man! You nearly knocked me off my bike! Get back! Get back! What's up?
Biker got a bit carried away here, and he forgot that he was going way too fast in this area. And to make things even worse for him, a cop was right behind, and he pulled him over, of course.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? Or what you gonna do when they come for you?
Oh, you scared me.
Because you ride like shit.
I'm sorry.
You're a terrible rider, dude. You're gonna get killed. Alright? I got you at 99 miles an hour splitting traffic. That's reckless. Okay? You got a flashing yellow light on the back. That's illegal. You got illegal exhaust. You're all over the carpool line. You can't ride on that line. There's a lot of things I can let go. You never checked your mirrors. Never. I've been behind you since Via Princesa. Did you even see me?
I've been checking. I swear.
He was really apologetic from the moment he stopped. It's a positive thing that he stopped on his own instead of trying to flee, and I'm sure that the cop is really appreciative of that.
See me? You didn't check good.
Yeah.
Period. You got your license, registration, insurance?
Yeah.
Let me ask you something. Honest
Yes.
answer. Because it doesn't matter. I didn't see you do it. When you take the transition to the 5,
Yes.
and there's traffic, you usually ride on the shoulder on this?
Yes.
Illegal.
Okay.
Okay? Totally illegal. Not only that, here's the worst part about that. All of them, can a car do that?
Sorry?
Is it okay for a guy in a car to do that?
No.
Then why is it okay for you to do it?
I'm like, again, I'm sorry,
I'm trying to educate you here, that's all. Plus, if they drift over onto the shoulder and they hit you, whose fault is it?
Mine.
Right. You're a gentleman, you stop, Dude, you gotta slow down.
I'm sorry.
Traffic at 99 miles an hour is unacceptable.
Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah.
Absolutely unacceptable.
Well,
You're gonna get killed.
Yeah. Well, won't do it again. I swear. If you
You will. Don't
No,
make that promise.
no, right.
It's gonna happen. Listen, it's human nature. You're gonna do it again. But please, just try to be more cognizant.
Okay.
And when you're splitting, check your mirrors really, really good. All right.
Okay.
You got any questions for me?
No, well, you won't catch me doing that right here.
Maybe not right here. Give it a couple of weeks, and I will.
Okay.
All right.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, you're going a little fast back there. It was a 45. You're going over 60.
Oh, I was?
Yeah. If
Oh,
you
I
do
didn't
me a favor,
realize.
slow down. We've had a bunch of fatality accidents, including motorcycles.
Oh, okay.
So if you could just slow it down, especially on that curve right there, people are merging and stuff. You're gonna be getting hit.
Okay.
We had 2 people die the other day. I don't know if you saw it on the news. On the
No, I'm coming from Austin. I'm visiting a friend.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license?
Yeah. It's in my pocket. Is that fine?
Sure. That's fine.
Can I get off?
You going to school here?
No, I'm moving.
You're moving here?
I'm moving to Austin. I'm closing on a house.
Dude, be careful driving through Tyler. We probably have the most car wrecks per capita.
Interesting.
So hey,
Cop didn't want to bother him too much, and he gave him only a warning this time. He came across a really friendly and a chill cop who just wanted to give him some advice and wish him all the best in the future. This is what happens when you don't secure your load properly. And of course, another reason to keep a safe distance between you and the vehicle in front. You can never know what can happen.
You okay, man? I got video of it if you want it.
Opa!
Uma ameaça foi detectada.
Morri! Pegue pano! Traga carroça!
Pano, traga carroça!
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast, boy.
Uma ameaça foi detectada.
Ai, ai!
When Java didn't bother looking at all as he pulled out in front of the biker. This type of driving will lead him to cause an accident sooner or later.
C'est pas possible.
With this clip, we conclude another episode on Maxi channel. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and learning from the mistakes you saw. If you support my work, don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.